Hello everyone, today's introduction is Mic GR-80C. Large capacity low speed freezing centrifuge. High power AC frequency conversion motor direct drive. With the advantages of low vibration, low noise and long service life. Imported high efficiency environmentally friendly refrigeration system. Refrigeration and heating double entry control. No environmental pollution. High precision of temperature control. Dual screen design. Make the parameter display more intuitive and clear. The upper part is the real-time parameters. Display speed, centrifugation time, temperature. The lower left side shows the setting parameters. The left side of the lower part displays the setting parameters, which are rotational speed, centrifugal force, temperature and centrifugal time in order. Acceleration gear, deceleration gear. Rotor number, program number. Adjust the parameters here. Press the down arrow. The speed starts flashing. Increase and decrease by plus and minus sign. Press the down arrow. The RPM units start flashing. At this point, press the plus sign. RPM is converted to centrifugal force. Press the up arrow again. Back to the numbers. Adjustments are made with the plus and minus keys. Temperature. Also increase or decrease with the plus or minus sign. Next is the centrifugation time. Again adjusted by plus and minus keys. Press the down arrow to the unit blinking. Press the plus sign again. Switch between hours and minutes, minutes and seconds. Below is the acceleration and deceleration gears. The smaller the number, the faster the centrifuge lifts. This machine is equipped with 6 1000 milliliters and 6 500 milliliters angular rotors. The rotor is made of super hard aluminum alloy. Made by special technology. Good sealing performance. Unlimited resistance to high temperature and high pressure sterilization. Loosen the nut counterclockwise with a hexagonal wrench. Manually unscrew the nut to remove the rotor cover. Place the sample symmetrically. Put on the rotor cover. Tighten the nut manually clockwise. Tighten again with the right wrench. Self-priming door lock. Pull down gently. Sensor lock. No need to press down. Simple operation. Don't panic when the power goes out. Emergency switch to help. On the right side of the fuselage, where the original cover is located. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the upper screw counterclockwise. Loosen the lower screw to open the original cover. Then use a 5 mm wrench to unscrew the emergency switch counterclockwise. The cover is unlocked. Push the cover gently to remove the sample.